beautiful. Huh? Here. Ah, you got it. Good for you, brother. And now it's baby. Yeah. And here we go. It's a new bird in town, guys. It's a new type of crow. Ah, be nice to my baby. Yeah. Look at him. Here, guys. Yeah, my darling. My baby. You go. Yeah. Here you go, darling. Yeah. And here you go. This is my baby darling, and here is the duck. Yeah, you also want. Yeah. Of course you do. Oh, hello. Yeah, how are you then? Yeah. Stealing, huh? Yeah, she was stealing. Hey, darling. Yeah. Oh, yeah, my darling duck. Of course. No, they took it from you. Here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry, darling. I don't got anything else now for you. No. Yeah. Yeah, my baby. Here you are. My darling. So beautiful, guys. Just imagine, huh? He arrives by his own. This is amazing. Somehow he senses or hears that I'm around, and then he comes. Ah, you see they are jealous on him. He's too kind. There he lands. Yeah, hello, beautiful bird. Welcome. Ooh. Yeah, you birdies are funny. The wind is so strong, it even takes the bird. Magic. what the birdie did when the strong wind arrived. Yeah, the crows alarmed them, and now they are seeking shelter in here because the wind are extremely strong. Yeah, mister, good thing that you give them a message. Oh, very close you are, my darling. Yeah. This is amazing. It's the second day on a row that I meet a bird that I normally never see. And this is a different kind, and wow, so beautiful. Crows having an argument with the seagull. Yeah, baby seagull, here you are. Yeah. Yeah.